Question 1. Which of the drawings A to D show? So we have to match this portion of fractions with the figures on the right hand side. So first of all, we will calculate it and then we will match accordingly. So here you can see 2 times 1 over 5. So a figure must have two same figures. So this is not, and this is also having 3 figures. So this cannot be your answer. So B and D can be your answer. Further, we have to check 1 over 5. It is one part of 5. So it is 2 parts only. It cannot be the answer. So it means D is your answer. So if you want to check, so one portion is shaded out of 5. And this is 2 times, therefore 2 into 1 by 5. First part. Second, 2 into 1 over 2. Now B is the only option here. So we can match it, and we can also check only one portion is shaded out of 2. That is what means 1 by 2. And multiply 2 means the same thing is happening 2 times. Third, 3 into 2 over 3. So 2 portions will be shaded out of 3. This is not the case. This is the case. You can see 2 are shaded out of 3 and the same figure is repeated 3 times. That is your third, and the last one is the only left one, but we can check. 1 is shaded out of 4 and this will continue till 3 times. So this is how you match your question. That was your question number first. Second, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show. Now, same thing we have to do as we did in previous question in ABC. So first is 3 times. So this cannot be your answer because it is 2 times only. This and this is one of your answers. So 1 is shaded out of 5. So this is not the case. This is the case, 1 out of 5. So this repeats 3 times. So we can connect it. And also 3 out of 5 in the last figure, the output. So we will match it. Now second, 2 times 1 over 3. So you can see 2 figures are here and each is shaded 1 time out of 3 parts. And in final, 2 portions are shaded out of 3. So this is your second. Third one is 3 into 3 over 4. You can connect it because this is the only left figure. And to check it, 3 are shaded out of 4. And when you combine it, it becomes 2 and 1 over 4. That is 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. So what does it also means? It can also means 2 whole parts. That means 2 figures will be completely shaded. As you can see here, 2 figures are completely shaded. And the third one is 1 over 4th. This is how this figure can be represented. As you can see here, that 1 out of 4 is shaded. That is how you represent in mixed fraction. That was the question number second. Third, multiply and reduce to lowest form. So first of all, we will multiply these all and then we will make them to reduced form. That is, no common factor should be there. So important thing is lowest form after multiplications. First one is 7 into 3 is 21 over 5 ones are 5, and to reduce it, so 5 fours are 20, therefore 4 whole parts and 1 is remainder, therefore 1 over 5. 4 and 1 over 5 is your answer. Now second, 4 into 1 is 4, easy. 3 into 1 is 3, 4 over 3. Now 3 ones are 3, so 1 whole part and the remainder was 1 over 3. This is your second. Third is 6 to the 12 and 7 ones are 7, therefore 12 over 7, and now 7 ones are 7 and remainder is 12 minus 7 is 5, so 5 over 7. That is your third. Fourth, 5 is a 10 over 9 ones are 9, and now 9 ones are 9 and 1 is remainder over 9. That is 1 and 1 over 9. is your fourth part. Here 4 to the 8 and 3 into 1 is 3. So 8 over 3. Now 3 to the 6 and 8 minus 6 is 2 over 3. This is how you do it in fast way. Sixth, prior multiplying, you can see that it can be deducted. So 1 to the 2, 3 to the 6. Now 5 to the 15. So simple. No fraction left. Now 11 into 4 is 44 over 7. And you know 7 6 are 42. And 44 minus 42 is 2. Therefore remainder 2 over 7. So 6 and 2 by 7 for your 7th part. Now 8th part. 20 into 4 by 5. Here you can reduce it. 1 5 is a 5, 4 5 is a 20. Now 4 4 is a 16. 16 complete number. Now here 13 is a prime number. So 13 over 3 and 3 was a 12 and 1 is remainder. Therefore 4 and 1 over 3 is your answer for 9th part. Last, 3 into 3 is 9, but you can first reduce it. 1 5 is a 5, 3 5 is a 15 and 3 3 is a 9. Therefore complete whole part. The answer is 9. So that was your question number 3rd. Fourth, shade first half of the circles in a box, and then second 2 by 3rd of the triangles in the box B, and 3 by 5 of the squares in box C. So what you have to do here is you have to circle. First you have to find how many circles you have to shade in figure A. So this can be calculated. Total number of circles is 12, and it is written 1 2 off. Off means multiplications. Remember, in mathematics off means multiplication. So 1 over 2 into 12, 1 to the 2, 6 to the 12. The main thing is here to learn is, and what you also learned in this exercise is off means multiplication. So we will mark 6 in this. Now 2 by 3 of the triangle. So first of all we will count the triangles, and remember off means multiplication. So total triangle is 3 3 is a 9, and triangles to be shaded are 2 by 3 into 9. So cutting opportunity, 3 3 is a 9, so 3 2 is a 6. So we will color 6 of them. Now same thing for the last part. Off means multiplication. First of all we will count the number of squares. So it is 5 into 3. So 5 to the 15, and the number of squares to be shaded are 3 by 5 of 15. So 1 5 is a 5, 3 5 is a 15, and 3 3 is a 9. So straight away we will color or shade 9 of them. So that is how you do your question number 4th. Fifth, find A, half of 24 and 46, 2 by 3 of 18. So we have to do them individually. Similarly for C and D is 4 by 5 of 20 and 35. So off means again multiplication. So 1 over 2 into 24, 1 to the 2, 12 to the 24, and 12 into 1 is 12. Here half of 46. Now 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, and 2 3 is 6. 23 into 1 is 23. This is your A part. 2 by 3 of 18, multiplication with 18. 1 3 is a 3, and 6 3 is a 18. Now multiplication with 2 gives you 12. Now here 1 3 is a 3, and 9 3 is a 27. Multiplication with 2 gives you 9 2 is a 18. That was your B part. Now C, 3 by 4 of 16. So we will write it, and also with 36 we will write them. Now 1 4 is a 4, 4 4 is a 16, and 4 3 is a 12. Now 1 4 is a 4, 9 4 is a 36, 9 3 is a 27. So that was your C part. Now D part, 4 by 5 of 20, and similarly you can write 4 by 5 of 35. Now 1 5s are 5, 4 5s are 20, and 4 4s are 16. Here 1 5s are 5, 7 5s are 35. So learn your tables in order to make it fast. 7 4s are 28. That was your D part, and that is how you do your question number 5. Sixth, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So first of all, you have to multiply them, and then you have to represent them in terms of mixed fraction. So first we will write 3 into as it is. Now we will open it. 5 5s are 25, plus 1 is 26 over 5. Now we can multiply it. 6 3s are 18, 1 is remainder, 3 to the 6 plus 1 is 7, so 78 over 5. Now remember, we have to represent them in terms of mixed fraction. So we can write as 5 15s are 75, and 3 is remainder, therefore 15 and 3 and 5. Or you can say 15 and 3 by 5 is your answer for A. Now B part, writing 5 into as it is. Now opening this, 6 4s are 24, plus 3 is 27, that is 27 over 4. Now multiplication, 7 5s are 35, that is a 10 plus 3 is 135 over 4. Now mixed fraction, 4 3s are 12 and 1 5, that means 4 3s are 12 and 3 is remainder, so 33 and 3 over 4 is a mixed fraction. C part, 7 into as it is. Now 4 to the 8 plus 1 9 over 4. Multiplication, 7 9 is 63 over 4. 15 4 is 60 and 3 is remainder. So you write 15 and 3 by 4 as your mixed fraction for question number C. Now D part, 4 into as it is. 6 3s are 18, plus 1 19 over 3. Now multiplying it, 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 4 1s are 4, plus 3 is 76 over 3. And we have to also write it in terms of mixed fraction. So this will be 25 3s are 75, 1 is remainder, so 25 and 1 over 3 is your answer for D. 4 3s are 12, plus 1 is 13 over 4. Now we can see cutting opportunity, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So never miss this opportunity in order to ease your calculation. That is 39 over 2, 19 2s are 38, and 1 is remainder, therefore 19 and 1 over 2 is your answer for your E part. Last F, 5 3s are 15, plus 2 17 over 5 into 8 as it is. Now you can multiply, 8 sounds are 56, 5 is carry, 8 plus 5 is 13 over 5. Now we have to represent in terms of mixed fraction. This can be done as 27 5s are 135 and 1 is remainder. Therefore you can say that the answer is 27 and 1 over 2. This is your F part, and that was your question number 6. Now again the same thing, just with mixed fraction. 5 over 8 of 3 and 5 by 6 and 9 and 2 by 3. So here we go. We will just first of all write them. 1 over 2 into 2 and 3 by 4. Half means multiplication. This is simple step. You got it. Now we will open it. 4 to the 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. Now 11 over 8, or 8 ones are 8, 3 is remainder, and 1 and 3 by 8. Now again here, 9 4s are 36 plus 2 is 38 over 9. Now multiplication, 38 over 9 2s are 18. Now cutting opportunity, 9 2s are 18, 19 2s are 38. Now 9 2s are 18 and 1 is remainder because it is 19. So 2 and 1 over 9. So that was your 7th question, A part. Now 5 by 8 of 3 and 5 by 6, we will write them. in both the ways, or for both 1 and 2. Now we will solve them. So 18 plus 5 is 23, and here 27 plus 2, 29 over 3. So we are doing simultaneously. Obviously you have to do it individually. 5 is a 15, 5 is a 10 plus 1 is 11. And here 8 is a 24 and 5 9s are 45, 4, 5 is a 10 plus 4 is 14. So 145 over 24. Now 48 2s are 96 and remainder is 19. So 2 and 19 over 48. You can go it with your long form of division if you find some problem. So 2 and 19 over 48. Now here 24 6 are 144. Again you can go with your long form of multiplication. Remainder is 1, therefore answer is 6 and 1 over 24. So that is how you do your mixed fractions. Last question. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bag that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Now Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? You have to find that. And second, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink in terms of fraction? So here you can visualize them, both brother and sister. Their mother gave them 5 liters of water. So total quantity in the water bag is 5 liters, as you can see. Consumed by Vidya is 2 by 5 of that 5 liter. So 5 cancel, cutting a portionity. So 2 liter. Answer is 2 liter. Vidya drank 2 liter. Now what fraction did Pratap drink? So the concept is total bottle means 1. So you have to subtract 2 by 5 from it, because whole bottle was 1 full. So 1 minus 2 by 5, and you have to make them like in order to subtract. So multiplication with 5 in 1 gives you 5 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Now they are like, you can subtract, that is 3 over 5. The fraction that Pratap drank was 3 over 5. So this is your last question, question number 8.